Hey you guys, so I'm showing you how to install a JLT Cold Air Intake onto your 2014 Shelby GT500. Old cold air intake to put on the JLT intake. One thing I should mention is that the new JLT intake is going to need a tuner. The first step is to actually take off this old cold air intake. What you'll need is just a flathead screwdriver and to remove the sensor and the tubing that is connected to the old one. So for the next step, I'm actually going to be taking this tool that is shaped like a star and removing this sensor so I can put it onto the new cold air intake. So here's just a quick clip of the car without the cold air intake. Taking this off the car, you feel how heavy this is. It feels like it's a couple pounds. I'm so glad that I bought a JLT cold air intake. Because if you look at it, it's just so sleek, so lightweight. And it just looks like it's close to OEM, honestly. Hopefully the cops think so too. Reconnect all the OEM stuff, make sure that that's in. Gotta relocate your sensor to the other side, gotta make sure that that clicks in. Oops. Make sure you hear a click, because if not, then your sensor is not on right. Gotta make sure that that's on, and then I just gotta tighten up my worm clamps, and we could talk after that. Now the last thing to do is actually to flash the SHELBY GT500 with this handheld tuner. So let's get to it. Little tuners, if not done properly and having everything on, like your AC or your radio or some lights like how I have them on right now, that your car will die in the middle of the flashing. Okay, so we're gonna go to program vehicle, continue, turn key on, yes, we got that. Shelby GT500. We're gonna click intake airbox because we don't have anything else. JLT, and with this you can actually mess around with a bunch of speed limits and wait for it to hit 100%. took like 10 to 15 minutes just to load this tune. Alright, so the Shelby is back on. Let me go get my girlfriend so she can hold the camera for me while I drive. I'm gonna let the car warm up, maybe go get gas. We'll see if I feel like filling her up right now. Let's go. So the only way I actually got her to come out to hold the camera for me was by offering her boba. Feels a lot more responsive, honestly. We'll see how it feels on the freeway. But I think the tune actually made it a little louder.
Did it?
Yeah. I don't think the camera gives it justice. Does it justice?
No, yeah, it's pretty loud to be honest. You can hear it echoing.
That small pool just burned out the whole way. Alright you guys, so we're actually going to be ending the vlog here. We just hit up our favorite boba spot. We're about to enjoy some right now.
It's much darker. Ready, 1, 2, 3.